see. August 11th.
Because on
2012.
Some came at 11 and some comes at noon. So it's coming around 11 something.
Well, you can keep the date for
Okay. That's pretty brave of him.
Anthony is 18 and a half months old,
Some for him.
eating his Cheerios with Libby and Chachi. He likes to share.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Joel. Time is so late.
It's okay.
For what? She wanted us to record that show. What show?
Randy to the rescue. I mean, I recorded it, but then no one else gets to see it.
Save it.
Well, I haven't watched it yet.
Save it. Someday we'll be recording.
That's true.
Those are for Nico.
You eat some of them.
Oh,
Well, it's just too cute, Kara. I can't stop thinking how cute it is.
Both of the dogs.
hi, Britt.
He's sharing.
Oh, he likes to share.
Bye, Brittany. They can't get them like you do.
It's all gone.
Yay!
You have some new best friends, I think, Tony.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Chachi. Yeah, he
Chachi
ate.
wants more to eat. Chachi eat. Maybe.
Chachi, no. Chachi.
It's all gone.
All gone.
Did you share? Yeah. Chachi.